want to take you guys now to Wiley, Texas. I received this video and email from William, and I'd like to share it with you guys. He goes on to say, hey, Mr. MBB333, this is coming from Wiley, Texas. I have 3 lights in my house that do this. He's talking about the flashing light phenomena. This light in my hallway that you're going to see here in a minute, he has a floodlight out in front of his house that doesn't work properly. He says this has been going on for many days. He goes on to say, as a general contractor, I have never seen anything like all of the flashing lights. Very bizarre. And here's the video that he shared. He also has a light out in front of his house that's acting strangely. And this is the light inside of his house that's flashing like we've been seeing here recently. We're seeing more examples of lights malfunctioning, and that's basically what's going on. Lights are malfunctioning not only outside, as you're going to see here in this video. These folks here pulled their car over, got out, started filming, started pointing to the lights down the road, acting very, very strangely. People are starting to get a little freaked out by this. The folks you see right here are from Traverse City, Michigan. You're going to see their video here in just a second. In fact, we're going to get to the videos right now. Here we go. And I'm still working on many more, guys. Here's the folders. I've got well over 200. Here's folder number 2. This is obviously folder number 1. Folder number 3. Folder number 4. I'm working through them, guys. Folder number 5. Well over 200 and counting. Let's get to today's video. Here we go. 236 on the map. The map has been updated. All of the videos that I've analyzed and put together are right here on the map in the United States. And this phenomena is not limited to just the United States. I get more emails and observations from the United States, but I've also gotten videos from the United Kingdom, Denmark, Puerto Rico, which is part of the United States, Australia, Hawaii, and up in Alaska, which is also part of the United States. But the map today is at 236. All of the blue lights you see on the map represent locations of videos that I've received from people that have experienced this bizarre phenomena, again, that's sweeping the earth. And I've received probably 3 dozen videos that don't have a location on them, so I'm getting close to 500 now. And I know there's a lot of talk about this being limited to just LED lights, and that's not the case, guys. I've seen the large Westinghouse bulbs, the stadium light bulbs that are shaped like a football that are malfunctioning, as you're going to see in this video by Dennis out of Sedona, Arizona from the 18th of February. These are the long fluorescent bulbs, 48-inch fluorescents, malfunctioning. Up in Sedona, Arizona.
33.
Good observation, Dennis. Thanks for sharing.
Sedona, Arizona.
Sedona's on the map. Put Sedona on the map this morning. Starting off, video number 1 out of Colorado by Janice. Check this out from the 21st at high noon up in Colorado. Watch what they do. They notice the light flashing in their house, and then they pan the camera over to the left, showing the other lights that are behaving normally, and then back to this one. And watch what they do. This was a great idea. Went up, unscrewed the bulb, waited a second, screwed it back in, still doing it. So to me, that implies there's something going on with the electricity that's going through the light that's causing the bulb to malfunction. Very bizarre indeed. Again, general contractors have never seen anything like this. Going to Frankfort, Kentucky. Check this out. Video by Matt from February 20th. This isn't slowing down, guys. This has been going on since November. Check it out. As he was sitting at an intersection, notice these lights over there in the parking lot of a building malfunctioning. Vicinity of West Palm Beach. I emphasize that because I've gotten a lot of videos from the West Palm Beach area, and I received a video from Ben who was flying into West Palm Beach at night and noticed over a 25-mile span from Jupiter, Florida, all the way down to West Palm Beach, and I'm getting videos from south of West Palm Beach. This area seems to be a hot spot for these flashing lights. This video has narration by John. Here we go.
I'm in Oakland Park, Florida. It's just a little weird pattern. These are brand new. This is a new store as well. Okay, here's the MBB333. Go. Flashing lights. Go. Flashing lights.
Going from Southwest Florida to Rowlett, Texas. This video has narration by Lindsay. Here we go.
MrMBB333, I'm here in Rowlett, Texas, and we have one blinking light in the parking lot. And it's blinking at a weird pace.
Very bizarre indeed. And again, that video was from the 20th, just a few days ago. Going from Texas to Atlanta, Georgia. Lulu, the 19th of February. Like I said, this isn't showing any signs of slowing down. In fact, if anything, it's increasing. This is the first billboard that I've received. And not only did I receive one, but I received two. I've also got a video that I'm working on of a TV that's blinking. I haven't gotten any TVs yet that were blinking until yesterday. Here's billboard number 2 up in Malacca, Minnesota. Check this out by Corey. This video has narration from the 17th at 9:27 p.m.
MrMBB333, we got flashing lights. This sign doesn't normally flash. In Malacca, Minnesota.
And as you heard her say, that normally does not flash. Here we go again, in the vicinity of West Palm Beach. I've got many videos from this part of the country, and again, the observation from an airplane showing thousands of examples as the man was flying into West Palm Beach. And this video here was sent in by Diane out of Delray Beach, Florida. It has narration. Here we go.
Hi, MrMBB333 and gang. This is Diane coming at you from Delray Beach, Florida. So there it is. That one's been going crazy for quite a while. It's just flashing away. And I'm going to be sending you a couple more in just a minute. Well, damn, I came down here to see if another one was flashing. But this one, I mean, I come down this road all the time. This is the first time I'm seeing that one flash. That's a different one. That's another different one right there flashing. That's not even the same one. It was a street light before. So that one there is flashing too.
I mean, really, this is fascinating. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've never gotten videos of flashing lights until about November of last year. This next video comes with an email. Here we go. It goes on to say, hello, my husband and I captured these flashing lights in a construction parking lot on February the 8th in East St. Louis. I just had to share due to recent events. Thank you for taking the time to view my video and for all your hard work. My husband was unaware of this flashing light phenomenon that's going on over the past few months, and she goes on to say that he was very unnerved by the sight of it. Sincerely, Brooke out of St. Louis, Missouri. This video has narration. Here we go.
Hold on. Yes.
Guys, this is highly bizarre, and in my next video, I'm going to offer a theory of what I think could be going on that's causing this all over the world. Moving on to video number 8 regarding the flashing lights. Goes on to say, my name is Sean Tesmer. I saw these lights at work in Albertville, Minnesota. I've worked here for 3 years, and those lights have never ever done this. I stand in that same spot smoking my cigar every day at the same time since I started here. Anyway, it's a warehouse building behind the shop where he works at. Very strange, and I saw the same thing on my way to work that day at the truck stop just outside of town. And here's the video that was sent in by Sean from Albertville, Minnesota. And there they are. He says he stands out here in the same location, has for 3 years. Never seen that before. This is something new. It just started. Why is it doing that now all of a sudden? Once again, I'm going to offer a theory in my next video. And moving on to video number 9, going to Northern Ohio, Olmsted. Video footage sent in by Charlie from February 19th of 2025. Once again, these past few days have been very busy. It's almost as if this phenomena is increasing. And talk about quick, Charlie was coming up to this intersection, noticed the lights flashing on the other side of the road, and in just a matter of a few seconds, Charlie had the presence of mind to grab his camera and start recording in the limited amount of time he was at that intersection as he noticed those mysterious lights flashing for unknown reasons. And going from northern Ohio to northern Minnesota. This video was sent in by April from the 18th. It has narration. Here we go.
There's my street light I pass by every morning now, ritualistically, in northern Minnesota.
It's now blinking every day all of a sudden. Moving on to video number 11, going to Traverse City, Michigan. That's the banner that I shared with you guys at the beginning of the video. You're going to see these people get out of their cars, start filming these mysterious lights flashing in Traverse City. This video has narration by Dom. Here we go.
See, over here. Right here. That one too. See that one? Yeah. I don't know what's. It's the second time we see it.
Yeah, that's not normal. They don't usually do that.
It's going down.
And you heard her say, that's not normal. They don't normally do this. Going from northern Michigan to Long Island, New York. My first video out of Long Island, New York. Long Island is on the map now. Video sent in by Roy from February 11th, 2025. This video also has narration of mysterious flashing lights.
Even behind.
All these lights, they've been going wacky for like the past few months. Add it to your collection, Mr. MBB.
And I did. Long Island is on the map. And did you see that nifty camera work right there? Notice the lights flashing in the rear view mirror. Now that is some good camera work. Flashing behind them and flashing in front of them. Once again, this is the first video that I've received out of Long Island, New York. I've also got a video out of Yonkers, New York that I'm going to be adding to the map tomorrow. Great job, guys. You are wide awake and on the ball. Keep